Hi, I am Abhinav Sharma and I manage the Tata Large Cap Fund. This fund invests at least 80% of its assets in the top 100 companies by market capitalization. The fund follows a growth at reasonable price philosophy, also known as GARP, focusing on companies with strong and sustainable growth potential while remaining disciplined on valuation. Looking at the portfolio positioning, the fund currently holds close to 89% in large cap stocks, with the balance in select mid and small cap companies to capture specific potential growth opportunities. This keeps the fund true to its large cap orientation while retaining flexibility to add alpha through bottom-up ideas. On sectors, financial services continues to be our largest allocation given valuation comfort and improving credit growth prospects. This is followed by meaningful exposure to information technology, telecommunication, power, oil, gas and consumable fuels, and automobile and auto components. We remain relatively lower on consumer durables and consumer services at this point based on our internal assessment of valuations and near-term earnings visibility. As far as 2026 is concerned, the calendar year has seen its share of volatility with a mix of trade-related developments and the ongoing geopolitical situation in West Asia. From an Indian perspective, elevated crude oil prices and rupee weakness could weigh on near-term growth. On the plus side, earnings growth in Q4 FY26 was better than estimates, and management commentaries for FY27 were also quite positive. Assuming a more settled global backdrop, we expect Indian markets to be driven by potential earnings growth. At this juncture, risk-reward is more attractive in large caps as compared to mid and small caps, given significant valuation comfort across various sectors. Large caps may offer relatively better resilience during periods of market volatility, which is what we have observed in recent quarters. From a risk perspective, if the geopolitical situation continues for a longer period, or if crude oil prices remain elevated, corporate earnings could see some moderation in the near term. However, the fund's large cap orientation aims to provide relatively lower volatility during such phases. Tata Large Cap Fund could be a suitable option for investors seeking core equity exposure with a medium to long-term view. You can explore how this fund could fit into your overall equity allocation. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.